Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Max, and today I'm just going to give you a little show on what we have done to this BMW X6 and just explain how this vehicle is now secure. It's not at risk of being stolen through the easy methods that commonly thieves are taking these sort of types of vehicles every single day. We've installed an insurance-approved Metatrak system, so it's called the S5 VTS. This system is the Deadlock version, which basically means that we have done a physical immobiliser cut. So what you have with you is you have a set of tags. These tags you need to keep on you at all times. You just keep one of them's for your spare key. If that tag is not there, the system will know and the vehicle will not start. You'll also be alerted via a physical person calling from a 24/7 call centre to basically ask you if you're with your vehicle. If not, then they can get the right authorities on the case to retrieving your pride and joy back. Now with the Metatrak system, it's a tracker basically. You get an application that you can view the location of the vehicle, set up geofencing, so if it left a certain area, you could get a notification. Also setting things like transport mode if you had to stick it on a trailer or anything like that. Lots of vehicles just like this BMW, whether it be Range Rovers, Mercedes, are getting stolen every single day through relay attack theft, and this method will protect it. That is because without these tags being present, the deadlock means that it will not start, and that's because we have done what's called an immobilisation cut. What I'll do now is just give you a quick demonstration of me hopping into the vehicle and starting it, and then I'll run a video of what happens when the tags are not here and you attempt to start it. Vehicle's all fired up. Exactly what we want. Right, I have now taken the tags out of the equation, so we're now getting into the interior. The tags inside a Faraday box out of sight. Attempt to start the vehicle, absolutely nothing. Even the BMW knows engine start is not possible, and that is basically all that the thief is going to get. Absolutely sweet nothing. When you reintroduce the tags back into the system, the vehicle's going to recognise them and it will start, of course. At the same time, in this moment, you'll be getting a call via the call centre to basically double check that your vehicle is not being stolen. Our customer knows that the BMW is with us, so it's safe and sound here. Now there's other security products we do offer for these kind of vehicles. We offer alarms as well. Pandora car alarms, they're a fantastic product to secure your vehicle and protect it. Also things like the Ghost Immobiliser, but trackers also in between do a great job. But immobilisation circuits tend to be quite an important thing in our opinion, because it will actually protect the vehicle from moving in the first place. So that's pretty much it for this short video from John Cleese Car Audio. If you've got a vehicle that you're looking to protect, give us a call, get in contact, check out other content on our YouTube video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and give us a shout if you have any questions. Many thanks for watching now, and we'll see you again soon. Take care, goodbye.